Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm a designer. I work in tech currently, but before working in tech, I did architecture. I just think design is really my thing, and it's just using design to kind of help people, whether that is designing an app that helps people's lives improve, or showing off my DIYs and it's showing people how design can make them love their homes a little bit more. I think I would buy an amazing piece of vintage furniture, or I would buy lots of things and use it to make something really cool. I love paying with PayPal for so many different reasons. Convenience is probably the biggest one. With PayPal, I can have all of my cards saved on PayPal, and it means that when I'm checking out, I can just select which card that I want to pay with and all my card details are saved. And I just click pay. When I'm not paying with PayPal and I have to enter card details manually, it is so long. Sometimes I don't even have my card with me in the room, so I have to go to a different room, find my card, find my purse, all that kind of stuff. I have full confidence in PayPal. I have an enjoyment fund, and this is a pot of money that I specifically put together for going out to eat, going out to a day party, or just treating myself. Anything that's gonna make me happy, I save specifically for that. I bought my dream sofa on a website that I had never bought from before, so I was just like, is this gonna be okay? Seeing PayPal's logo there on a website gives me that instant trust. And then they also have the buyer protection. So I know that I'm protected when I check out on sites, even if I've not used them before. So I purposefully use PayPal because I know that when I see PayPal, I can rest assured that my money's gonna be safe.